We'll guide you through how to fix the Minecraft error mod file needs language provider Javafml. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now you're getting this error because you're using a different version of Forge than the version of mod. So what this means is you need to have the exact same version mod as Forge. So as you can see, I'm running Minecraft Forge 1.19.2. So let's go and open up our mods folder by coming into our keyboard and pressing on the Windows key and R, or you can click on search and type in run. And you want to type in %appdata% and click OK. And what you then need to do is go into the .minecraft folder and scroll down until you see mods. So I've just got one mod here, and as you can see, this mod is 1.18.2 and I'm running Minecraft Forge 1.19.2. So these are different versions and therefore it would cause a crash and that error to appear. So then what you need to do is go and delete the outdated mod and go and get the updated version of it to be the same as your version of Forge. So yeah, go and delete it by right clicking and pressing on delete, and also you just click on delete on Windows 10. And then you can go and get the updated version of the mod and go and click play, and the game should then run fine. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.